Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is formulated to target the root cause of weight gain, which is an accumulation of visceral fat around the abdomen. According to the manufacturer, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic can help to boost metabolism and increase fat burning, reduce inflammation and improve digestion, increase energy levels and reduce fatigue, control hunger and reduce food cravings, improve overall health and well-being. Many customers have reported positive results from using Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, including weight loss, improved digestion, increased energy, and a reduction in food cravings. Another benefit of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is its convenience. The supplement is easy to use and can be added to water or a smoothie for a quick and convenient way to get the nutrients and weight loss benefits. This makes it a good option for people with busy lifestyles who may not have the time or energy to prepare elaborate meals or follow strict diets. Furthermore, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is backed by a 90-day satisfaction guarantee. This means that if you are not satisfied with the product, you can return it for a full refund within 90 days of purchase. This gives customers peace of mind knowing that they can try the product risk-free and see if it works for them. Overall, while individual results may vary, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic has received positive reviews from many customers who have seen real results in their weight loss journey. As with any supplement, it's important to use it as directed and in conjunction with a healthy diet and exercise routine for the best results. However, it's important to keep in mind that individual results may vary, and the supplement should not be used as a substitute for a healthy diet and exercise. If you are considering Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional to determine if it's a safe and appropriate option.